Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on your laptop. To zoom in on your laptop screen, you have to use magnifier, which you can easily enable using Windows plus combination of keys, Windows and plus buttons. At the same time, will open this magnifier bar on your screen and will automatically enable the zoom. By clicking minus and plus icons, you can change the zoom level. By clicking these two icons right here, you can reset the zoom level. By clicking the play button, you can start playing text from your screen.
Recycle bin.
Now, by clicking this icon and selecting an element, you can read from any part of the text that you like.
Shortcut to desktop.
Now in settings, you can change the speed of the magnifier by moving the slider, and you can also change the voice of your reader. You can go to settings from here, or if you want to access the magnifier menu straight from the settings, then open start menu, go to settings, then go to accessibility options, and then find the magnifier option right here, open it. You can turn it on. You can also change the zoom level and the zoom increments in this menu, and you can change the view, which is the most important part. You have 3 views. If you expand this list, you will see them all. So the docked magnifier, the full screen magnifier, and the lens magnifier. Now the full screen magnifier is the one that is currently active, and it has options like following your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or narrator cursor. Now you can also decide whether you want to keep your mouse pointer and text cursor either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. For example, if I center the mouse on the screen, the cursor on the screen, it will look somewhat like this, and within the edges of the screen looks like this. Now let's go to the docked magnifier, which looks like this, and it has only the following settings, so you can also decide what your screen magnifier will follow. And for the lens magnifier, which looks like this, you can change the width and the height of this magnifier, adjusting to your needs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.